Hello, in this video I want to show you how to record and use macros in Steelseries Apex 7 keyboard. And to begin, first we'll need to record some macro, and to do this you'll need to click on the function key right here and then on F10, which is a macro key. If you hold it for a few seconds, you will see recording, and now we can begin assigning the macro. And in this case, I want to write hard reset. So then when you're finished with your macro, you can click on the function key again and then F10. Now select the key that you want to assign the macro for, and in this case, let's go for H. Now it's assigned successfully, and we can open any notepad or any text thing on our PC. Sorry, it's just a second. And next time we press H, it should begin writing the entire macro. As you can see, we have the macro ready. Now, if in case you want to remove macros, you will need to open your OLED menu by clicking on the button right here. Then scroll down for the macros using the wheel and click on them. Select delete. And now press the key that the macro was assigned to. In this case, it's H. And the macro should be removed. So just to show you, let's go and click on H, and there's no macro anymore. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.